થોડું જોરથી સ્ટાર્ટ.
So here we are to talk and to give you some idea about what herbal dyeing is all about. Herbal dyeing is a process which is actually rediscovered in what we are doing right now, the product which is also displayed by the brand. This process was evolved since last 5,000 years now. So what we have done is we have tried to make it more applicable to the kind of product which is required in modern times, using the same technique which was used in Ayurvedic processes earlier, using natural ingredients for dyeing and processing and color and everything. So what beauty Ayurvedic dyeing or herbal dyeing has is it's not only about color, it's about the properties also which it carries with the color. This has been the uh, biggest loss, I would say, with the modern textile, because we are not able to combine the characters of herbal dyeing and natural essence in the dyeing part of the textiles, which is also organic in nature. So here in herbal dyeing textiles, what you get is dyeing which is totally naturally done with using medicinally rich herb, and also has other important properties to go by, which is also uh, very environment friendly in terms of water recycling and water waste which comes out from textile. Usually a textile, a shirt would take out a waste of water which is around 2000 liters of water goes into pollution if it is not treated properly. In this case, whatever water used for herbal dyeing can be used again as an agriculture product, or for the recycling, for the use of drinking as well as for processing. So there is no loss of water in the processing, unlike chemical dyeing, and also it has medicinal properties which is very good for our skin to wear, especially children's and other sensitive skins which we already have around us, and due to the other environmental hazards and gases around, it is always good to go by something which is herbal dyed and naturally dyed, unlike chemical dyeing which has a lot of amines which may be cancerous or carcinogenic to our skin with chemical dyeing. So the product which you're going to get is that you can be sure that it is natural, it is good for your health, it is good for the environment, and good in all the way possible a life can be. Thank you.